Hi everybody, it's Mr. Dooley here on my favorite day of the week, Tuesday, to talk about my favorite things, tall words. Earlier today, my friends and I read the book Interrupting Chicken. In the story, the little red chicken is just so excited to read bedtime stories with her papa that she'll blurt out the ending of the story when they're only halfway through. Each time she does this, it frustrates her papa, and then it makes bedtime story reading not so fun. How the little red chicken was acting reminds me of this week's tall word. This week's tall word is self-control. Self-control means being in charge of our words, actions, and thoughts. Self-control means being in charge of our words, actions, and thoughts. Now remember, it is completely normal to have feelings. We're humans. We have them. And sometimes our feelings feel really high in certain situations. Maybe your teacher asks the class to raise their hand if they know the answer to a question, but you're just so excited that you know it that you blurt it out. Kind of like the little red chicken. Maybe you're at home and you're really hungry. There's a plate full of cookies on the counter. You have one. You have two. You finish the whole plate. Or maybe you're working on something on the computer and the computer's not working quite right, so you slam your hand down on the table because you're so frustrated. In each of those situations, and situations like that, it might feel good for a second to lose control, but there's always some bad afterwards. Your teacher tells you not to call out, your tummy aches from all those cookies, your hand really hurts from slamming it on the table. You are in charge of your words, actions, and thoughts. You have self-control. Sometimes it takes a bit of practice. See, self-control is filled with consistency, keeping up with our good, healthy habits, integrity, doing the right thing no matter what, tenacity, never giving up even if the work is hard, and self-worth. We're made up of good parts, and those parts make us whole. Self-control is being in charge of our words, actions, and thoughts. I'm going to do my best this week to show self-control. Do you think you can do the same? I know you can. Bye.